Yeah, we're ready. So let me just get my guy Ailish. You could share. I just want to give yeah. So we got our slides going. That's good. So I just want to I feel really honored working with this team. I'm really excited to share what we've worked on. And I don't know if we could open with a warm welcome. That'd be exciting for me. Okay, thank you. Let's
I don't know
Xander.
if I've ever had a team clap for had us clap for them before they went, but
yeah, we're just that confident, you know.
We'll roll with it.
Okay, Xander, kick us off.
Absolutely. Hello all. My name is Xander and I'm one of our backend developers. As you all may have heard, AI generated art is a new development that has gotten the interest of the masses. It has incredible possibilities, but it isn't accessed easily and can be confusing in its use. However, we believe that this technology is the future and want to provide exposure to it in a form that is easily digestible. So Eilish, what did we do?
We made a goddamn game. So, one thing we could do for this demo is, we could have our team play through it. We could explain the game to you. That's not really that fun, is it? So to show you that this game is really live, to show you that anyone can play it, we'd like to invite the main man himself, Alex, to join and play this game with us. Alex, what do you think?
Sure.
All right. So one of my teammates is going to send you the link in chat. Once you get the link, once you click that, you're going to be sent to this home page. It's going to give you two input boxes, one for your username, one for the room code. So obviously, put your name in the username box. And then I will be creating the room. And so here's the room code. If you just type this into the room code input box and click join room, we can go ahead and get this game started. Also, our lead Kai is going to be joining us. Very confident, I see. All right, let's start this. So for this first page, it's pretty simple. You type in a prompt, you get an image, and you submit an image you like. So I'm just going to go with bunny for this first one. Keep it simple. Wait for the image to generate. All right, and here's our bunny. So let's submit that and wait for everyone else, in this case, Alex and Kai, to finish generating and submitting our image. Need some Jeopardy music. All right, so once everyone has submitted, it takes us to this page, right? So what I'm seeing right now is actually different than what Alex and Kai are seeing, because for this round, I am the appler. What the appler does is basically everyone else who's not the appler captions the image that the appler generated. So right now, Alex and Kai are creating a funny, crazy caption for the image that I generated. And every round, the appler is going to switch until everyone goes. So now both Kai and Alex have submitted their captions, and we get to vote on which one we like the best, which one's the funniest. I think I have a speculation on which one was written by Alex, but I'm going to go with this caption. I think I like it better. Now we wait for Alex and Kai to vote. And yeah, it looks like Alex got all 3 votes for this round. So he's taking the lead. All right. Next image. You know what? Let's get some audience participation up in here. All right. Just shout out any caption that we can put for this image.
Walter White.
Walter White. Okay. Let's type that in and let's submit our caption and wait for Alex and Kai, or whichever one is capturing this image to see. All right. Gonna be honest, I think we got beat here with the caption. So I'm gonna feel. Yeah, Alex is kind of taking the. All right, let's just get this last round over with because this is a beatdown. So this is the last image. Come on, keep the audience participation going. Give me a caption for this image. We got to get some points on the board.
Rocky.
Square up.
All right, first one I heard was Rocky, so we're gonna do that.
Wait.
Hey, I think it's too late,
It's too late.
but yeah, I'll help you out here. Keep it close.
Thank you.
All right, so our game is finished. Alex took the dub with 6 points. Kai got second with 3, and man, we sat scoreless, but it's okay. I think we all had fun. At this point in the game, we can either click new game, send us all to lobby, or end the game, which is what I'm gonna do here. And one last thing before I hand it off to Vedant. I know all of y'all are probably thinking, how can I play this amazing game for myself? Well, y'all are in luck because we are sending the link for this game in chat for all of y'all to play. We hope to see some room cuts going. We want to see y'all playing this game and having fun just like we did. All right, I'm gonna pass it off to Vedant to keep this going.
So yeah, that was our game. I hope all of you enjoyed. My name is Vedant, and I am our front-end developer. And so we have some testimonials that we wanted to show you, just to show some opinions from some outside sources, some people from outside AI camp. So I'll just read one of these real quick. So he says that it was an amazing game. It was truly revolutionary, and he's never seen or played a game like that, let alone made by junior high schoolers. Absolutely remarkable. Seems like a very well thought out game with the user experience in mind all the way through. It was a masterpiece. So that's just a taste for how good our game is. So hope you all enjoy it. And so I just wanted to remind you all, our team's goal was to make AI generated art more accessible, which we believe we accomplish in a couple of different ways. So for starters, we created a party game, which can be enjoyed by all different kinds of people. And additionally, our game allows people to experiment with and learn about image generation by letting them submit their own prompts and create their own images. And now I'll hand it off to Emma.
Hi, my name's Emma. I'm our front-end designer. While we practice professionalism in a variety of ways, including using an effective sprint board and communicating at a high level, we realize that most teams probably followed these practices as well. However, we have 2 unique examples to show how we did it differently. The first example is A/B testing. When we were planning the project, we thought a lot about game flow, and we were unsure whether we wanted only the appler to vote for the best caption or if we wanted everyone to vote. To decide how our game would work, we did A/B testing. This means we simulated the game of each version and voted on which one was most fun. This was very beneficial to us as it allowed us to think about the game from the perspective of the consumer. The second example is clean code. To keep our code clean, we followed the best practices outlined in David's Guide to Clean Code. We had good names, proper casting, and linting. We also used TypeScript to keep our code safe. By doing this allowed us to be able to easily understand both front-end and back-end work, which brings us to a tech stack with Xander.
And I'm back. Just a quick note about our tech stack. We used Firebase, Next.js, Replicate's API, and Vercel so that we could quickly develop and iterate our product. Now onto our future plans with Kai.
Hi, I'm Kai. I'm our image generation specialist. And while the incubator may be over, we still have big plans for the future of this project. We are looking into many different advertising avenues, and we're currently in the process of implementing ads on our site with Google AdSense. And after I finish up some tax information, we should be ready to deploy ads onto our site very soon. And based on our research, it seems these ads will produce sufficient funds to support the cost of our website and even return a profit. As far as improvements to our site go, we plan on adding new features, refining current features, creating a more streamlined user interface, and adding new game modes. We're looking forward to the future, or looking forward to the future of our game as much as we hope you're looking forward to the future of our game as much as we are. As a reminder, if you're interested in playing the game, we'll send the link in the Zoom chat. I'll do that right now for you guys. And yeah, that is our presentation. We're Keyo against humanity.
Round of applause for our Keyo against Humanity team.